R.M.S. Titanic left Southampton en route to America. It was unthinkable to think that this would be her maiden voyage and also her last. At 11:40 p.m. on April 14, 1912, Titanic collided with an iceberg. Tragically, over 1,500 people would lose their lives. The White Star Line chartered the Mackay Bennett, which left Halifax, Nova Scotia and set sail to the site of the Titanic wreck area. There they would recover sad victims of the tragedy. Many would be buried at sea, and many would be returned back to their loved ones back on shore. During the recovery, the Mackay Bennett entered incredible ice fields in the vicinity of where the Titanic had actually sank. Some of those icebergs were so tall that they were taller than the Mackay Bennett herself. Captain Lardner was alarmed at the amount of ice fields and the striking, incredibly large icebergs that he could see from the Mackay Bennett. During the recovery operations conducted by the Mackay Bennett and the crew on board, many victims of the Titanic tragedy were recovered. Many were buried at sea. Many personal belongings were also recovered. We are very privileged to have in the exhibition display today a silver pocket watch which was recovered from a victim of the Titanic tragedy. It really does bring to life the sad loss of all the victims of the Titanic tragedy in 1912. It's an incredible artefact that brings you closer to that moment of history. The silver pocket watch is displayed in our touring exhibition as a tribute to all those who lost their life and to all those who survived the Titanic tragedy